What's up everyone, you got Bitbeard here, and in this video, my very first video, we're going to be going over how I've been using the Relay cross-chain bridge to move my BNB BEP20 from the Binance Smart Chain over to the new Crypto.org Cronos chain. So I'm not going to go into exactly what the Cronos chain is. It's just the new Crypto.com chain. It just launched about, I think it's about 10 days ago. I will do another video on exactly what it is later down the road, but I figured it would be more important to show you guys how to get some of your BNB over. First thing you're going to want to do is swap some BNB. So we're just going to do 0.1 over to Relay. And I'll put the Relay contract address in links below. So we're gonna swap 0.1 BNB just to show you how this works and just to show you that it works smoothly to just under 12 Relay. So we're gonna swap right there. Obviously we're gonna confirm the transaction and let that go through. And once we have the transaction confirmed, we're going to go over to the Relay app. Now, I will leave a link to this also in the description. So here you're going to have the Relay app. Let's just refresh it real quick. We want to move to the Cronos chain right here down at the bottom. And you can only bridge Relay at the moment. So we're just going to max that out. Going to hit transfer, start the transfer. Confirm the transaction. This part, it's been taking a little bit of time, but I mean, it hasn't been taking more than, I think the longest I've had to wait is about 8 minutes for the entire process. So we'll just let this do its thing. Okay, so that took probably about 45 seconds. I'm going to obviously edit it so we don't have to wait. But here you have it. It has successfully transferred. So now I'm assuming you already have the Cronos chain added to your MetaMask. So we're just going to quickly swip over to the Cronos mainnet. In my assets here, I should have, the Relay should show up. Oh, maybe I don't have it imported yet. So okay, so it took about 3 minutes for my Relay to get to my Cronos wallet, but here you can see it, 12.6 Relay. So now that we have it here in our wallet, we're gonna go to Cronos Dex Screener. So you can just go to dexscreener.com/Cronos. I'll put the link in the description, and then we're just gonna search for the Relay token. And we're going to go down, and this is the one you want to use right here. This is Wrapped Crow pair on Crodex. Crodex is one of the main decentralized exchanges on Cronos. So we're going to click on that. And this is just the easiest way to do it. You could just go straight to Crodex if you already had the Relay contract address, and I'll put that in the description as well. But you can just go right there, trade on Crodex. It's going to automatically import the token for you. Just go ahead and continue and hit that there, swap it over, max her out, and swap it. And just like that, confirm the transaction, and you have moved your BNB to Crow, just like that on Cronos. So now check my Crow wallet here, 116 Crow. Fantastic. All right guys, so that was super quick. That was only like a, it's only like a 7-minute video or so. So hopefully if you have any problems with that, just ask in the Telegram. Someone will help you out with that. And if you're not already in the Telegram, I'll leave a link to that in the description, and make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends that are having some trouble moving their BNB over to Cronos. All right guys, thanks a lot. I'll check you later.